Nothing beats the delicious combination of paratha and achar. Today, I'm going to show you how to make instant lemon pickle. Let's get started. In a saucepan, I have here 4 cups of water. Let it come to a boil. In this boiling hot water, I'm adding the washed lemons. Make sure you wash them well and dry them with a cotton cloth. Let these boil for another 5 minutes on a high flame. Lemon is a natural preservative that aids in the treatment of digestive issues. They are much recommended for summers as they are cooling in nature. 5 minutes are done. Let's remove the lemons on a plate. Make sure to wipe them with a paper towel and let them cool. This will ensure all the impurities are removed from the lemons. I'm taking the lemons and slightly chopping them into 4 to 6 pieces. Make sure to remove the seeds. Once the seeds are removed, keep them in a large bowl. Add the leftover lemon juice to it and keep it aside. Let's move on to making the jaggery syrup. For that, I'm heating a pan and adding 400 grams of jaggery into it. Next goes in 1 cup of water. Stir this mixture well and bring it to a boil. Keep stirring until you get a sticky texture. Once we get the desired consistency, add 1 tablespoon of roasted cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri Red Chilli Powder, 8 cloves, half a teaspoon hing or Asafoetida, half a teaspoon black salt, and 2 teaspoons of regular salt. I'm going to mix this until all the spices are evenly mixed. Our jaggery syrup is ready. Finally, add the chopped lemons. Stir this till the lemon slices are covered in the mixture. Let it come to a boil. Cool it down so that everything is combined well. Once it's cooled down, pour it in a dry and clean glass jar and enjoy. This instant lemon pickle is ready to be had with your favorite meal. Until we meet again, eat well, live well, and stay blessed.